Hello everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault from iles-de-la-Madeleine Handmade Soaps in the Madeleine Islands, Quebec, Canada. This morning I pressed some organic local carrots to make this beautiful orange colored carrot juice, and I'm going to be using it to make my carrots and coconut cocktail soap. So what goes in this soap, I have in my base oils and butters, I have cocoa butter, coconut oil, I have extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, and sea buckthorn fruit oil. Now sea buckthorn, I'll show you a little bit later, but it's very bright and orange. It's only 1% of my recipe, but it will give such a nice hue to this soap. It will help to color, and it will also add all of its skin-loving properties to the soap. I'm also using some Blue Dragon coconut milk because on the market, it's the only one that I found that only has coconut and water in the ingredient list. So there's nothing else, no fillers, nothing else. And I have a blend of essential oils right here, which consists in Lychee, cubeba, patchouli, palmarosa, and carrot essential oil. So this will all go into my cocktail soap. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do, because I just pressed these carrots, and I'm gonna pass them through a strainer to remove all of the pulp so that it doesn't end up in the soap. And then we will make soap. I'm now gonna weigh my sea buckthorn fruit oil, and I got this one from Plants Power. I don't know if you remember, I visited them in June and I posted through social media about them, and I absolutely love their essential oils and their other products. I bought hydrosols, vegetable carrier oils from them, and so far everything is amazing. So measuring out my sea buckthorn, see how deeply intensely orange it is. It almost looks brown in this container, but when I mix it up with my other oils, it will give a really nice orange hue. Look at my glove. Look, check this out. It's pretty dark. So okay, I'm measuring out my 1%. There we go. Let's move on to the stock pot now. I always like to add my other liquids to my oils before the lye water. So here goes the coconut milk, and then my fresh carrot juice. Next, I will add the sea buckthorn oil so that you can see the color change when I add it, and I will finish with the essential oils. Isn't that just beautiful? All right, let's keep going. And the essential oil. Everything goes in the oils before adding the lye water for this soap. I find that it works better, and everything will be just, emulsified and poured right into the mold. Straining out the lye water. This soap looks like fresh carrot puree. The texture and the color are exactly, at this moment, like carrot puree. Just like I used to make for my babies when they were little. Yum. Because this is a soap that we haven't made for a long time, but that has been requested, I'm gonna be making a second batch in just a few minutes. Shake it out a little bit so everything is even. And voila! I'll make the second batch. I will insulate these soap and we will cut them tomorrow. The coconut milk and carrot juice cocktail soaps are now finished. They will now have to dry on the curing trays for the next month. Actually, this is what I consider a Bastille soap, which means that it's similar to a Castile soap. Castile soap is 100% olive oil. Bastille soaps are soaps that are high in olive oil. but not limited to olive oil. So this one is still very soft and very pliable. I could probably roll it up in a ball if I wanted to. And we decided to cut these in 2 different sizes. And the reason why I'm doing so is because I got an order for a client out of the islands, and he wanted all of his bars to be standard with our creative soap line shape. So I cut 30 soaps like this for him, and then I have my own soap line that I have the traditional small size soap that fits so snugly into a woman's hand. But so yeah, we made these soaps for him. It's the exact same soap, but we cut them differently using the same log splitter, and then using a soap cutter that you saw this on the video. This one is at a 1-inch width, which is standard, and this one is made with my custom-made soap cutters from For Craft's Sakes, just in case you were wondering. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. If you'd like to watch more videos, I always pop one here at the end of the videos. You can always subscribe to my channel and enable notifications to always be the first one to know when I upload new content. And of course, if you wish to support me on Patreon, that is always appreciated. So thank you so much. I will see you again very soon.